Hi everyone, welcome to Phrase It Friday. My name's Alex, the founder and developer of Phrase It, the English language card game that helps you accelerate your English language learning from here to here. Today I'm going to talk about a couple things. Two phrasal verbs like try on and take off. And these two we use a lot when we're shopping for clothing or we're doing different things or we want to do something new. So the first definition of try on would be like my glasses. If I'm at the eye doctor and I need to find a new lens or frame, I might look at different kinds, try on my glasses. I'm going to try them on. Similar to that phrasal verb I showed you before, like put on, like to wear, but try on is usually to put on to see if I want it. Put on is like I want to wear it for a long time. But try on, this one here, try on means to try something to see if it's a good fit. So another example would be this jacket I'm wearing. It's a nice Columbia jacket. This time of year, it's fall here. I live in the northern hemisphere of the United States, and we have different seasons that change. It will be winter soon. So many people are buying warm winter coats or jackets. And this jacket here, I am doing the second phrasal verb, which is take off. Take off. So I am taking off my jacket. I took it off. Past tense, take off. Took off, try on, tried on. So I took off my jacket. But if I'm shopping at the store, I might look for different jackets, or if I'm shopping online, let's say you go to Amazon, which you can go below this link and click an Amazon link to find this jacket, or jackets similar to this one. It's Columbia. So it's a good brand, and many people like this brand in the winter time here, or when it gets cold at night. So Columbia. So I see this nice Columbia jacket. Ooh, it has the color I want. It's blue and gray. I want this jacket. So I will buy it, or if I'm in the store, I will try it on. So right now I am trying on the jacket. Well, that's takeoff, but I just tried on the jacket. Now, oh wow, the sun is coming out. It's getting warm. I will take it off. Take off, which is this one. Also, another definition for take off in English is if I'm traveling and I want to fly from here to there, the airplane will go like this. It will take off. It will go take off. Or I might say, oh, where did my kids go? And another one of my children will say, oh, he took off to the park, meaning he ran quickly somewhere, or she ran quickly somewhere, to take off, to go quickly somewhere. And so you might have a friend when you're traveling say, oh, when does your airplane take off? You'll say, oh, it takes off tomorrow. My flight leaves then. So that's try on and take off. Try on also has different meanings. Usually we use it with clothing, but you can also try on a different like software application on your phone, but usually it's used with physical wearing of something. Try on. We might say give it a try. Why don't you try it on for size? So example, I'm wearing some cool slippers too because it's winter time, and I'm wearing these really nice Rockport slippers, and so I use these when my feet get cold in the winter. Rockport slippers. You can also find these in the link below this video. But that's how I try on to see if these fit. I put them on. So I will try on my jacket, I will try on my glasses, a shirt, my shoes, and then I will also take them off. So let's say them together one more time for your phrasal verb lesson. Try on, tried on is past. So one more time, try on, tried on, take off, took off. That's your lesson for this week. Join me next Friday when we do our next two phrasal verbs for Phrase It Friday. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends, subscribe to the link below, and let me know if you have any English questions. Thanks, and I'll see you at the next Phrase It Friday.